Hi, welcome to the course Learn CorelDRAW Vector Graphic Design from Scratch 2020. In this course, you're going to learn CorelDRAW to create stunning graphics and you'll be able to unleash the creative genius in you. Let's begin the transformation. I am Rikhil Nagpal. I am a consultant, educator, and a design evangelist. I started learning CorelDRAW in 2006, and the secret is I'm still learning because learning never stops, which is the reason I'll be able to understand your concerns and doubts because I have faced them. Every new project endows me with further depth of knowledge in this field, so I'll be able to help you very much in that. Come, let's learn together. As you know, graphic design is everywhere. You can love it, you can hate it, but you cannot ignore it. Roads, signs, shops, restaurant, menu, tickets, packaging, parking, food, real estate, entertainment. Every industry has got tons of opportunity for graphic designers. Either you are a part of this creative journey or you're obsolete. Even before internet, it was all over for marketing, branding. And after internet, it's everywhere. Digital market, social media, content development, even ideas expressed through graphic design gets more weightage. And why CorelDRAW? It gives you full control over your graphic designing. User-friendly interface, already established value in print industry, stunning and resizable vector graphics, editing tools to make it more robust, clean and intuitive, crisp designs are synonymous to CorelDRAW. Come and embark on journey to explore your creative genius while paving a way for lucrative earnings. This course will cover everything you need to know to start working on your graphic design, including basic workspace, where to find the tools, drawing with CorelDRAW, refining your creations with shaping and transformations, using color palettes and fill options, editing text and playing with glyphs and characters, attributing and effects, enveloping and wrapping images, and finally, projects to make your learning awesome. I designed this course for candidates who have great ideas and fresh perspective, but struggles with the tool to make awesome graphic design. Come, enroll in this course and embark on a journey to unleash your creative genius. Thank you. See you in the course.